Like, hey, Turbo. I'll jerk on you poo-poo head, 'cause that's all you do. You eat and you poo-poo. You got Domino's? Hey. What are you doing? Are you concentrating, honey? Hey, Turbo. Turbo. Yeah, that's a rough job you're doing there, huh? Hey. Hey, what you got, Domino's? Hey, you. I know you hear me talking to you. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Maybe this is a bad time for video. You want Grandma to leave you alone so you can handle your business? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. He ain't paying no mind.